Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the YNAB application within your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If you wish to log out from your account on the YNAB application completely, then first of all, go ahead and open up the YNAB application. After the app is opened up, just wait for a while and this will take you into the home page. From here, if you wish to log out, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy, and now you will see the Logout button. Go ahead and click on it, and this will now log you out from your YNAB account on the application right away. If you wish to log back in, you can use your Google or your Apple account, as well as your email address and your password to once again log back into your YNAB account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the YNAB application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.